Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can cancel subscriptions in Google Play. So let's start the video guys. Okay guys, so here I'm on my mobile phone. Here the Google Play already opened. So just click on this your profile photo, and after that we need to go in this payment and subscription options. Just click on it. Now we need to go in the subscription option. Just click on it. Now you can see all your subscription here. Okay, so in my you can see all your active subscription under this title. Okay, and expired subscription you can see here. Okay, you can resubscribe from here or you can simply remove it. Okay, so if you have subscription, active subscription under the list, you need to just click on it. After that you need to just scroll down, and in bottom you can see the option called cancel subscription. You need to just click on it. After that you need to give the reason why you want to cancel that subscriptions. Then you need to click others and write your reasons, and simply cancel your subscription from this game or app. Okay, so that is how you can cancel the subscription in Play Store. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.